I look on Patriot eating food outside.
Yeah.
This is what every man dream about abroad. If you sit down in a one chair, eat some cornmeal dumpling with ackee and saltfish, and then outside with the trees, you know what I'm saying? And this is it. This Jamaica good life. So the King Patriot there.
And a real good life.
Yeah, man. I mean, there's good life, but there is good life.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? And this is have a lot of love and from these brothers, you know what I say? That's why I love Fairfield Mountain.
Yeah, cool banana tree, you know, or almost banana tree right now.
Well, you have a whole pot of them, you know. And you have some little one around you and you have a pear tree. But I'm going to eat some food right now, people. I'm not really eat all the banana skin I joke with you, mate. I was pulling the legs, see a church tree there. See Elvis there.
Yeah.
Elvis, the neighbor, you know, him and Ian is like brothers, you know. Elvis is a big time truck driver, I know. Elvis are the real thing, you know what I say? I'm hungry for market. And so I'm a fans, my love, you know. It's a pleasure to meet you, and greet you. The ackee salad. You see me? Good
That's
job.
blessings, man.
So me have to shake off the chef hand.
That's a blessings, man. That's a blessings, Kawa. You know, don't you go? That's sweet, you know.
Caramel dumpling,
Yeah,
tight too.
plant well sweet.
Yeah.
You need the dumpling? Caramel dumpling, tight. Because sometimes people
And I
have...
plins them, I don't know. Why is it?
Why splints? Yeah. Yeah, why splints? Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man.
I got 9 guys.
Yeah, man, this is the first Fairfield Mountain cookout. So, very, very nice. I'm proud of them.
I'm going to ask you because I'm napkin, but I'm around there go body.
You know napkin, give me a piece of leaf from there. I joke, man. But I'm not having a napkin right now, Peter. So you have to just roll with it, alright?
I work with it, man.
Work with it, man. You know me have to help Peter, I just, you know. You see him as a king, man. And him get everything plus, and you know. So when him coming at the garrison, at the country garrison, we call it, them still expect certain raw honey and certain things.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, then you saw the raw honey there, man.
Man,
Comes the raw honey there.
you know, man, talk about, you know, when you come to the people where
Well,
you
like
have it,
Yeah.
you know.
I want to say honey cheaper than sugar.
Sugar dear.
Honey cheaper than sugar.
Sugar dear.
Because the amount of sugar we use in a 1 week, the honey there, you will take more than a month for done. If you get 1 pound of honey and 1 pound of sugar, which I think are done quicker.
Sugar there.
Yeah, man. So you have to go back and market again.
So I've got to find a bees person around here.
Yeah, man. We don't say you must have much bee catcher around here.
No, directly around here, boy. Around the town. In Mandeville, you find them. You find them Mandeville.
Yeah.
A country man, plus
They can find them.
you go up to the mountain, I'm surprised say all of a Baba place there, you know, I'll have some bees, find some tree and set up them thing. That's how bees work, you know.
That's not.
My grandfather used to rear bees in honey, Randy. When I say honey, I just remember about honey, and you make a
No, sir. A man subconscious is a real thing, you know. You can't make a mistake. It's okay to make a mistake in my life.
clarify,
You know, if you correct yourself every time I make a mistake. I'm not call you honey.
I no mistake. But just clarify if you make your nose here. And the bee honey me I talk about. Even me call it honey, nothing wrong to you, man.
No,
You're my brother.
let's move past that.
You're my brother, my lad, you mean? So we not hang up in a certain things. Or a certain way.
So what you say about your grandfather now?
Yeah, man, he used to rear bee, you know?
Hey, you know, so when your pepper they hiding at the banana, yo, them bird pepper, you get no bird pepper, chubby? We just bite another one. The bird pepper, they be nice, you know?
I need some more, I run out.
So with
Elvis!
so we have to go we want to big up the people them at the airport. What you call them?
You want somebody to
Custom officer. Yeah, man. Patriot want to give me
Depend
10,
on
you
the
know.
center
You see how Patriot think him tricky?
Count too much, yeah.
Patriot will say, yo, Randy, you want some? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. You see what a blessing.
10 pepper and
You
give me.
said 10 before you even
Can
count
one
it,
go-
and a 10 there.
Him want to burn me up, you know.
Yeah, man.
Patriot on my ball down here,
One
you
burn
know.
out cholesterol. One burn out
Me not eat
poor
10.
circulation.
And 5 me I go eat. Me I save 5 for tomorrow.
And the 3 there on
You
your
want some bird pepper? You don't eat bird, you don't eat pepper.
Pepper not, no.
But you have some more pepper. You're among the team.
Yeah.
Get one for me. Just pick up one, man.
And them things they are them to start partaking a king, trust me. You see them natural things that surround there them.
No, man, they swallow them, they swallow like tablet now, you know.
Swallow
chew
like
it.
tablet, yeah.
Yeah.
Because if it's too hot for chew it, just swallow it like tablet. It's good for chew it, you know. When you chew it,
Release
it
it.
release certain enzymes. When your saliva mix with it. So, it's a great thing, man.
This was good. I don't make enough things bother me, you know. But you see when we have to do something,
No, man.
another
You have a
person.
plan now. You spend money.
Yeah.
So you don't need pay. Because if you run a movie set, you know, you'd have gone over budget. Your movie probably wouldn't even get the release.
There are my lights in there. But you know, me always rearrange things, but there seems to be just a Jamaican disrespect for each other when it comes to business. I them not take each other serious. Like me have a brethren, where I build a house, and the man fi do the work, and him, the brethren come down. Say something about that, Chubby.
I just some of them, you know. Can you all work hard, but just some of them they take on him within a film case. I just take on too much work one time.
Right. I just say you're fine. No for time that's why it is in around there. No for time them purpose they plan out it. Say boy I do things for a certain way. Them
Chubby,
take on.
you know, say Chubby come over and teach people say I can't not even know pay chat. You know, for teach blind people food, you know.
Oh yourself man. So we not gonna do that.
You know, so when we done look and you say, yo, that lizard there biggie, and you take out a dumpling out of smelly plate.
So a man speak it so easy, you know.
Patriot tends to never see that.
No, never see that.
Well, that me I say,
But I no see art no leaf.
At first, I feel bad, say my teeth a piece of blind man. So.
I see that, yeah. I take it.
I'm up here confess.
Yeah. Conscience, man.
Alright, I will too.
Conscience heavy.
Fairfield Mountain, on the live, all over the world now. So them say around there, why is that so much? Cause Chubby Socks did mash at the bush, you know.
It should.
You see Baba decorated. You was well decorated going into the bush, you know, Chubby.
Where you say me boot match me hot and work. I work, man. You say match with red dirt. And that color me put on to match with Mother Earth.
Yes man.
Yes, me don't want to give her too much stress. Me don't want to blind her too much with the bright colors.
Lenin.
Like what? 30 minutes,
like
about
yesterday was a
25 to 30
No,
minutes.
we're coming from somewhere else.
Right? If you go on easy, about 25 to 35 minutes to 30 minutes. If you,
25 minutes.
yeah,
For 30 minutes.
yeah.
I'm not sure about that.
Me sure about that.
So now let me ask you now,
because-
what about the good road? Kind of the car situation.
No, man.
We're not going to take a different road.
Yeah.
Go down the
The
highway.
road we're taking, we never want to take that ever again.
Yeah, man, because where we're coming from.
Yeah.
You know?
So we're not go back on now where we're cognizant only 2 parts we need to run into.
Reverse. So the vehicle it
Bad, you know.
load up.
With food too, you know. Cause Baba take care, the King Baba take care, we good. So we have food for days.
Man, carry a load with goods around it.
Man, never say that. I'm try to drink a coke now.
Yeah, man.
Man, they not forgot and say I drink coke now. Them people in the car tell me to get up because I'm too heavy.
No one said you were too heavy now. We just said get up.
Keep on your
They
toe.
say you're too tall.
Yeah.
You're tall as a follower.
The coconut nice. We want to go St. Thomas quick enough.
Hold on. You say what about the coconut?
The coconut nice.
The coconut when presentable.
No, I mean, this is throwing me off because we keep getting like, stuff on my face.
But you have to admit the coconut.
Listen, man.
You know why the
You never want to
coconut?
hear that from Randy, you know.
The coconut is a big man, in your beard. It's a big coconut.
Yeah, it have beard.
Just so you know, I never drink like hairy things that come near my mouth.
Okay.
True that. Me respect that.
You see what I say?
Something beard on your mouth.
I'm
You not come near him. It depend him.
The balloon. No.
Like, look all them things.
Yeah, man. Me respect that. Yes.
Coconut.
Me agree with you.
Poachy style, Negro style. Boom, chuk, 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 boom.
You look like a buck pan a dumpling like that.
That still. I leave it alone still, but you know.
You buck pan it.
Yeah, man.
You buck.
You have to give me everything in there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, again.
But this can't
One banana.
can't done.
One banana.
The one you can't done.
I didn't say that.
Only for water, one like that.
Give thanks. It's a pleasure sitting with you guys. Good food though. Yeah, man. And that one is perfect picture. But nothing there for chop it. What I said. The knife?
Still can't chop.
Mash it, did it?
Mash it there.
Yeah, man.
Alright, we go chop this.
Sure enough, it's chopping.
Satisfied with trade the wise plates, you know? They want the wine before.
When you say one of the flour dump, you have to put on something solid.
Yeah, man.
This is what I'm doing.
Knowledge increase. Run this.
Yes, man.
Give me chop it for you. Hold this, let me chop it.
You hold the camera.
Alright, bad man.
Close them, you
Wait.
Them you here.
See, they ain't do it wrong already. King go on, a bad man, Randy. Go on. Randy, what?
Whoa.
Mind if fly off a stick, you know?
Don't mash it, you know. So bear with me. Alright.
I don't want to hear that. Randy! Yo! I don't want to hear that.
I'm my strength and energy.
Your strength.
Strength and energy. So why you couldn't use it?
The net me use?
I had to use which happy thing?
Yeah. Man, head up my.
Man, bust the jelly.
Man, bossy man jelly.
Bust the man jelly, man.
Go repeat what you're saying, Elvis.
About you
You
jogging.
said we're gonna go around tomorrow?
Yeah, man.
How many miles do you think it is?
How much you feel say you can do?
Well, I'm just starting out, Elvis.
Alright, we're not gonna pressure with 10 still.
Yeah, that's all like that would be. Cause if it's a
No,
5-minute drive,
Let's just do one.
Yeah, that man say.
Let's do one, man.
you kind of want to mash up. No,
I
cause
make
you
you
see,
half.
you don't want to overdo it so that you can't do no more the next day.
As me I
Let's
said,
just
no
start.
one
Let's start with one,
Yeah.
Elvis. Just one.
Yeah, man.
You're gonna ride Eye of the Tiger,
You have a
head,
tiger, it
you
out.
know, hoodie,
We'll do everything.
sneakers,
Everything.
and I'm just gonna jog
You just a sweat.
with my shades, like
Yeah.
I'm gonna be a boxer.
Yeah.
And you're my
I'm
training.
not chill.
Cause the sun is gonna. What time the sun comes out?
No, man, some come up from 6 o'clock. You have to
Okay.
put before 6.
So we're gonna do this together. You're
By
gonna be
by
my.
6 o'clock.
And
the
then he's
sports are- the
saying
sports
now-
are done fresh.
What you're saying now?
I'm saying, when you finish with the warm up, you understand? You can come over here on my side, the big boys.
Does that reference him as a little boy?
No, not really.
No, because him not part.
Remember, he's a trainer, you know?
No, he's a trainer, so
He's
him
a
is not,
trainer,
he
you know.
can't be the liquor boy.
Yeah, he's a trainer.
Him just basically I go bring you to the liquor boy stage.
Yeah, you know?
So what's your training regimen like?
Well, I touch the weights.
Mm-hmm.
With the weights there, so, you know?
How much pound do I start with?
You start with? How many of you?
He's a big dude, man. You must can
Body
press
weight.
200.
Push-ups first.
Yeah.
Push up.
Body weight first.
Yes, man.
You're skipping.
Here, we're gonna work on getting you to lift your body weight.
You think I can't right now?
How
Not
much-
that we
how much
should have
you
a
weigh? How much
demonstration.
you weigh?
240.
240?
240?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We don't know if we got it a scale. Me a 190.
You say in probably about 260.
About 250 or 60.
Yeah, man, about 260, man.
Me at 240,
You're
brother.
tall, brother.
Tall, man.
You're about 6'3", you know.
Tall man.
The ladies, me at 240.
Tall man.
Oh, for the ladies, that.
You're for the ladies.
Yes, sir. We work on the body weight, lifting the body weight. No, you probably should be able to lift your body weight.
Just make him do some pull, you have a pull-up bar.
No one ever pull up, but we can construct something.
Hey, after a couple of days with Elvis, we'll talk about the weights thing. Come off it, start run first.
Build up your cardio.
You know?
Yeah, build up some cardio.
Yeah.
Too, you know?
So my work.
Yeah, you need to build up your car yesterday upon the mountain, man.
Yeah, man, you have blow shot, brother.
Yeah, man.
Let me tell you something.
No, Martin, listen to
You
me
run
now.
hot.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
I know the condition of my situation based on the hard work I've been doing for Jamaica. So now I kind of step back with no help now. Who not going to help me with the work?
Okay,
So now me can go work out.
yeah, but some of the time, you know, 'cause even when I work out, when I feel tired, I say I do your push-ups them. And you know, say I do 25 back lift. And you're reaching at the 10th set. You understand? And you decide to say a 15 set, you then reach the 10th set and you go down and you feel the pressure reach at the 20.
Yeah, you must set the man a gear on the
Yeah,
10 set, you know.
yeah, man, you have a fight
And a
through,
5,
you know?
and a 5 set.
We can go hard with training next year.
You go easy this year.
No,
Hey,
you have to
my
eat them
fans them
intense.
don't want me to be hurt.
No, man, you're not
And the
getting
first thing the lady them saying to Randy, the more every time them the lady them text me, Randy, you alright? Don't make nobody hurt you with too much push-ups.
No, man, them will love you better. Them will love you more, man. No, them will love you.
See
Randy.
me? I wish I could do boot camp. Me right now, I'm going to boot camp. When I go train with the soldier them, when I train with the Marines them.
So you
Me, as some of my mentality is, me ready. You can't break me, me ready.
Yeah,
You
man.
understand? So it's when I work out, just know so you're better ready.
well maybe me not ready this year. That's what I'm saying.
Well, that's why.
Try to get mentally ready first.
So that's why
And you
Elvis
know
is
no,
gonna
what-
take you through.
mentally I'm there, you know.
Yeah?
I think it's just the physical.
That's
Elvis
why
can
Elvis is
help
going
you.
to take you through the first stage
Yeah, yeah.
and get your body prepared.
You know.
All right, Elvis, just take it easy, you know. Cause my fans don't want my foot hurt.
No, man.
It's not crazy.
No, my fans them
No,
me care
man.
about, you know. Cause you see, if me go get sick in the hospital,
You know I get
them
sick.
know
man.
say no video,
No, we don't know I get sick. Man.
and they don't want the show to stop.
You just I get fit.
All right.
Just
Not
I get
sick, fit.
You know?
Hey, the next year when I come back over Baba Hill, I might just run over it all over.
Yeah, that's
I
all.
might just knock off for me for knock off.
Yeah, you know, say I be.
I want to thing, man.
You know? Yeah,
Wait there. Is that word playing in my head? Every time you say something, it process in my head, you know. And I'll
No,
think,
but Chubby is a thinking, man. Chubby always a
him
think.
think too
Chubby
much,
not- you're not gonna-
smoke damn weed.
you're not going to say
Chubby, I'm a
something
man.
to Chubby and he just let out an answer and
your
then.
brain
If you say, let's take a picture against the wall, he say, no, don't take no picture against the wall. Yeah. A madman taught them with take a picture with the wall.
Yeah, no, with the wall, man, you want to say the right thing.
Yeah.
With the wall, look at the wall. The wall
Can't go
is
against
all right. If me I take a picture, where I say, take a picture with me, not you.
Yeah.
Take a picture with the wall. The wall can't be with you.
Why,
What do you mean?
Yeah, well, nice picture.
I
You see,
write
that's
things
how I'm
Chubby
gonna do them
has
talk.
said.
They want to smoke too much weed, you know.
No, brother, I
Can't
write
talk
things.
about other things.
No,
man.
I know
The
some
people that listen to me say, you're right, you're right. We can't talk about, can we
But
are
if
wasting
me
them
burn him herb, him have all the pipe, I burn him herb and everything. I can't my cat Chubby. I can't my cat Chubby, man. I can't my try cat Chubby, but him can't cat Chubby.
So running, we're definitely going to do it. This is Fairfield Mountain, the making of Randy.
Yeah.